Coming up on lock number 7. Holding the rope.
There we are, pulling up the rear, keeping her close to the wall. That's my job. Hang on.
Okay, Susie. We're underway again. I had a hold up of probably 45 minutes an hour. And we're doing some work on the, I think the lock below. We're going to go directly into another lock. Anyways, we're off and good. Maybe that is a cement thing there. They're making cement for here. We're heading down, this guy here is heading up. Again, we're in the lock. It's going to open and we're going to be in another one.
What? Oh.
Don't lose that rope. Need a hand?
I think I'm okay. I'm starting to move over.
We have 3 young girls that follow us through. They go to school. Mustn't be a bad job for the summer. Going back and forth, throwing ropes. Anyways, we're going down again. Gonna hit another lock. These come in fast succession, these ones do. These yellow arms here are to protect if a boat was to go through. There's cables under the water that would stop it before crashing through the gate. Interesting. Getting ready to move on again. Going in for another one. This is a pretty quick lift, this area. Lock 3. There's a building here, I don't know what it is. An observation deck. People up there watching the bathtub unload. Lock number 1. The end of our journey on the Welland Canal. We're heading down and out.
Pulling up to the Dalhousie Yacht Club.
arriving at the Dalhousie Yacht Club. Follow part 6 as we stay in Dalhousie Yacht Club through rain and very nice weather.